How to add an Amazon gift card to Amazon Pay. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser on your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for Amazon.com and log in to your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Account and Lists. And once this interface opens up, tap on Gift Cards. So once you're inside here, go ahead and tap on Redeem a Gift Card, and then enter the 14 or 15-digit claim code found on your physical or digital gift card right over here. And once done, you want to go ahead and tap on Apply to your balance to add the funds to your Amazon Pay balance. So note that Amazon gift cards can only be used to purchase eligible goods and services on Amazon.com and certain related sites. They cannot be used for purchases through Amazon Pay on third-party websites. Also, during checkout, you can split payment between Amazon gift card and a debit or credit card, but not between multiple credit cards. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.